So I would like to show you a trick. I have this file and I would like to group columns together and lines together, and it's something that people don't use quite a lot. Let me show you. I don't want to see this information, and I'm going to click right, and this is a place or something that people don't check most of the time. At the bottom right now here is group column, and I will do that and see what I can have. I have these little buttons with the plus and the minus, and I can expand my file. Of course, I can do exactly the same with the rows. So let me select some rows. I don't want to see that. I want to hide, and I will click right, and I will go to the bottom, view more actions, and I want to group these rows. And now you will see this little button, the minus. So I can now expand. I can expand also the columns. And that's it. I think it's something that people don't use most of the time. And well, I wanted to share that with you.